Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by quickly confirming credentials. Know your Apple ID password and the Gmail account email and password you'll add. Once ready, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and unlocked so sync won't stall. Open Settings, scroll to Contacts, then tap Accounts. Tap Add Account and choose Google. Here's why. Adding Gmail as an account lets iOS manage contact syncing automatically, so changes on either side will replicate without manual export. After selecting Google, sign in using your Gmail credentials and accept the permission prompts. iOS needs access to contacts to sync. Once the account appears under Accounts, tap it and toggle Contacts to On. This initiates a two-way sync. If you want new iPhone contacts saved to Gmail, go to Settings, Contacts, Default Account, and pick your Gmail address. Make sure to wait a minute for the initial sync. Larger address books can take longer to appear in Gmail. To finish, verify that your contacts show up at Contacts, Google.com, or in the Gmail Web Contacts view. This confirms the transfer. If some contacts are missing, try toggling contacts off for the Gmail account, choose Keep on My iPhone when prompted, then toggle contacts back on to force a fresh sync. Make sure you set one default account to prevent duplicates. If problems persist, sign out and back into Google or reboot the phone. Connectivity and permission resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.